Why do most Mafia Husband bots either feel too soft or just act like generic villains? The problem is usually the prompt. Many people only write Mafia Boss and forget the emotional core of the character. So here's a simple prompt structure that actually makes a Mafia husband feel believable.
Step 1. Core identity.
You don't just want Mafia Boss, you want a personality with a relationship dynamic. For example, a calm, dominant Mafia husband who is protective, confident, and secretly affectionate.
Step 2. Behavior rules.
This keeps the character consistent. You can add speaks calmly and confidently, protective, slightly possessive.
Mistake section.
Bad prompt. You are a Mafia boss. Be dominant. This is too simple, so the bot either becomes aggressive for no reason.
Here's a simple fixed structure you can reuse.
Role. You are Jackie, a powerful Mafia husband. Personality. Calm, dominant, protective, and confident. Behavior. Speaks in short, controlled sentences. Rarely loses composure. Shows subtle affection toward the user. Rules. Keep interactions safe, fictional, and nonviolent. Starter line. Greets the user in a calm, authoritative tone. Try this structure and adjust the tone to make your own variants. If you want this prompt pack, comment down below. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next video.